All right, let's take a look at another nice little Zippo that just came in. Now this one arrived with the protective sleeve, and the label is Eye of Providence, design number 2. There's the barcode. I like these little sleeves. It's a normal Zippo black box inside. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA. It also says Eye of Providence, design 2, made in Bradford, PA. So here is the second Eye of Providence. It's on a black matte finish, and it was made in B, February of 2019. It's got a steel insert. Real good sound. Let's see if it lights up. Yeah, it lights up nice. And if you're wondering, the first Eye of Providence looks like that. So that's the second design of the Eye of Providence. This one was made in J of 18. That's around July, June or July. Let's do a drop test on the Eye of Providence. Fail. Try that again. Okay, passed the drop test on the second try. It's the Eye of Providence. Definitely need some cowbell. Knuckle bump.